So yun guys, currently Exel Balingsongay ay nasa isang restaurant in Makati. Maganda dito sa restaurant na to dahil talagang classic eh. So ever since when I was a child in the 90s, yung daddy ko lagi na ako dinadala dito para kumain kami. By the way, this is called Emers. Emers yata ito. Itong vlog na to para dun sa pagtest ng bagong bili natin na stainless EDC na stainless balisong with obviously bottle opener. Puwera branding tago na natin yung branding kasi hindi naman tayo ini-sponsoran ni San Miguel. So yun, ang galing. Itong isa nabuksan ko na, tsaka yung dalawa. Mamaya i-demo ko mamaya kung paano ko buksan gamitin to. Medyo discreet natin kasi nasa public tayo. Okay? Pero so far, functioning siya. Okay? Inom tayo guys. Kamaron, tsaka tayo. So yun guys, it's about time to test the newly purchased stainless EDC from Balisong online shop. That is owned by Miss Jenny Atienza. Excuse me. Here with me is a piece of San Miguel Pale Pilsen, the classic. We will do this quickly and discreetly because we are in the public, you know. Okay. Yes, it is basically successful. Okay. So hindi tayo hiniyaan ng product. So shout out to Ma'am Jenny Atienza, Balisong online shop, for a very great functioning newly purchased item. So yeah, that's about it for today, and as you can see, it's really functional. The stainless material is really sturdy and it didn't dent at all. Okay, thank you. This is everyone at Exel Balingsongay in Amak.